Hello, today I'm going to be completing another prompt in 365 Days of Art using the mystery supplies in this Scrawlrbox. I get these boxes every time there's a sale on. They're between £5 and £8 usually. This is box number 100 from December 2023. So let's have a look and see what we've got. We've got some watercolour postcards. A6 300 GSM acid free. A scroll design. It's really pretty. And that's by Clarissa Grande. Okay, we've got the sticker. I think it's that way. No, that way. I needed one of these for another video. A Uniball Signo. Gold. It's a gel pen. We have a £1 chocolate coin, which I don't know what the date is on that, so I'm going to have to chuck that one away. It's been in there a year or so at least. And this way. Some Derwent tinted charcoal paint pan set, watercolours. Oh, lovely. Oh, this looks nice, doesn't it? I've got a water brush too. Well, I'm excited to use these. I started my channel Wondera Art last year, wanting to rediscover my creative side again by doing art prompt books, little art challenges like this, sketchbooks and crafting. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. So some things to try. These paints aren't like regular watercolours. You may need a little more patience waking them up. The sponge included in this set is intended for cleaning your brush while using it on the go, but you could use it for other things too, like applying large areas of water for wet on wet techniques. You can sweep the damp sponge into the paint and fill your page with large areas of colour for backgrounds, and dab the smaller end into the wet paint and stamp onto the page to take advantage of the texture. These paints react differently with water as the pigment is made up with charcoal. This means you can create some really lovely granulated effects with some wet on wet techniques. So wet the page with clean water, load your paintbrush up and swirl into your water on the page. As it dries, you notice a subtle granulation effect. Okay, I'm going to try a few of these, just swatch them out and see what they look like. I think I'm going to use another brush that I have, which was also from a Scrawlrbox. I'd like to use the sponge to see what it looks like. The colours I'm leaning towards on this to use are the green, the blue and the pinky colours up here. Let's try that blue, which was this one. It said to use without the water background. Let's try this one. This white paint, I'd like to try to go over maybe some of these colours that have already dried. Very subtle. It's the last one I'll do. and then add the white. Now it's dry, you can see that white a little bit better. I'm just going to go and flip through this book, 365 Days of Art, and choose a prompt that I like the sound of. I finished drawing 3/4 of it, so I'm just going to flip towards the back and choose a prompt. Calligraphy practice. I don't think that's really going to be one I'm going to be able to do with these paints. Create a page of fields, what could be in them? Or explore colours that look good together. Fill the boxes with colours that you think work well. Cut a piece of fruit in half and draw what you see, or colour in the circles. Now, I think I am going to do the circles one, but just try and make it my own. So I'm going to make my own circles and do 2 of these postcards, and then add the gold to add some detail on at the end. Then I'll just stick them in the page afterwards. I think that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to do a background wash first of all, let that dry, and then add the colour on top. I might add the white on top of a few of them as well, just to get something a little bit different. Now, this is going to be one that's going to come together as we go. Background colour. Let's go for that dark moss. Made this harder by not sticking it down with masking tape to start off with. Got it stuck down now and it's relatively dry. I'm just going to very lightly put the circles where I think they should go, just so I've got an idea. After I've filled in these in with colour, I'm going to use that gold pen and the white watercolour to add detail. I'm just going to start painting in these circles then. I think I'd like to use the white to go over and create some marks on some of these circles, not all of them. Just thinking what's going to go best. Now, this gold pen is soluble, water soluble. So I think I'm going to, first of all, just outline the edges. I can probably make a little wash on here. And then I'm going to bring the circles together just by joining them like this. This gold pen, and then add in some lines in between. On top, I'm going to use that white, use a sponge on a few of them. I think that will do. And I'm just going to use just the gold pen to bring it all together. I'm going to do a circle in the middle and then have some lines and things coming out onto some of these meteors. So this is a finished piece. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you have done something different? I'll link the Mystery Art Supplies playlist in the description if you haven't seen them yet. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video if you did, and I'll see you all in the next one.